Welcome! Let's talk about money. It's a subject that often brings mixed emotions. Some people find it exciting, while others feel anxious or even fearful. Money impacts every aspect of our lives, from the everyday choices we make, like buying groceries or paying bills, to the long-term goals we strive to achieve, such as buying a home, saving for retirement, or funding our children's education. Yet, many people feel overwhelmed or intimidated by finances, avoiding the subject altogether. This avoidance can lead to stress, debt, and missed opportunities for financial growth. This is where financial literacy comes in. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. It gives you the confidence to take control of your financial situation, rather than letting it control you. It's about understanding basic financial concepts, such as interest rates, credit scores, and investment options, and using that knowledge to manage your finances effectively. This knowledge can help you avoid common financial pitfalls and make the most of your money. In this essay, we'll delve into the world of financial literacy, exploring its importance, core components, and practical strategies to enhance it. We'll discuss how you can improve your financial knowledge and skills, and how doing so can lead to a more secure and prosperous future. Get ready to take control of your financial destiny and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. By becoming financially literate, you can make smarter decisions, reduce financial stress, and achieve your financial goals. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the power of financial literacy. What exactly is financial literacy? Simply put, it's the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills. This includes personal financial management, budgeting, investing, and understanding financial products like loans and insurance. Financial literacy is not about becoming a financial expert overnight. It's about acquiring a solid foundation of knowledge that allows you to make smart choices with your money. Imagine being able to create a budget that works for you, save for your dream vacation, or invest wisely for retirement. These are all within your reach with financial literacy. Financial literacy is crucial in today's complex world. It impacts every aspect of our lives, from the small, everyday decisions to major life events. Without financial literacy, we're more likely to fall victim to predatory lending practices, accumulate unnecessary debt, and make poor financial choices that can have long-term consequences. On a larger scale, financial literacy contributes to a healthier economy. When individuals are financially literate, they make informed decisions that benefit not only themselves, but also their communities and the economy as a whole. Financial literacy encompasses several key components that work together to empower you to manage your finances effectively. Budgeting. This involves tracking your income and expenses to create a plan for how you will spend and save your money. Saving and investing. Setting aside money for future goals and growing your wealth through investments is essential. Debt management. Understanding how to manage debt responsibly, including credit cards and loans, is crucial. Risk management. Protecting yourself from financial risks through insurance and other strategies safeguards your financial well-being. Mastering these core components provides a solid foundation for financial success. Strategies for enhancing financial literacy. Empowering yourself with knowledge and tools. The good news is that enhancing your financial literacy is entirely achievable. Numerous resources and strategies are available to help you gain the knowledge and skills you need. Educational resources like books, websites, and online courses offer a wealth of information on personal finance. Financial tools such as budgeting apps, online calculators, and investment platforms can simplify financial management. Professional guidance from financial advisors can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific circumstances. Community programs offered by many organizations provide free or low-cost financial literacy workshops and counseling services. Take advantage of these resources and start your journey toward financial empowerment today. Financial literacy in action: making informed life decisions. Financial literacy plays a critical role in major life decisions, whether you're buying a home, pursuing higher education, starting a family, or planning for retirement. Having a solid understanding of financial concepts is essential. For example, imagine you're considering buying a house. Financial literacy empowers you to assess your affordability, understand mortgage options, and make informed decisions about this significant investment. By applying financial literacy principles, you can navigate these life events with confidence and make choices that align with your long-term goals. The power of financial literacy: achieving your dreams and securing your future. Financial literacy is not just about managing money, it's about achieving your dreams and securing your future. It encompasses understanding how money works, how to manage it, invest it, and how to make informed financial decisions. It gives you the power to achieve financial goals. By setting clear objectives and understanding the steps needed to reach them, you can turn your dreams into reality. Whether saving for a down payment on a new home, funding your child's education, or ensuring you can retire comfortably, financial literacy is the key. It provides the knowledge and tools necessary to make these significant life events possible. Financial literacy provides the roadmap. It helps you navigate through the complexities of personal finance, from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for the future. It helps you build a strong financial foundation. By managing money wisely, you can avoid debt, save for emergencies, and invest in your future. You create a solid foundation for yourself and your loved ones. Teaching financial literacy to your family ensures that future generations are also equipped to handle their finances effectively. It also allows you to gain financial independence. Financial literacy empowers you to live life on your own terms, free from financial stress and uncertainty. Financial literacy empowers you to become financially independent and make choices that align with your values. It gives you the confidence to make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. Embrace financial literacy and unlock a world of possibilities for a brighter future. By continuously educating yourself and staying informed, you can take control of your financial destiny and achieve your dreams. Overcoming financial challenges, strategies for success. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and financial challenges are a part of the journey. These challenges can come in many forms, from sudden job loss to unexpected medical expenses, or even just the rising cost of living. It's important to remember that facing financial difficulties is not a sign of failure, but rather an opportunity to learn and grow. However, equipped with financial literacy, you'll be better prepared to navigate these challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Financial literacy involves understanding how to manage your money, including budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit. By educating yourself, you can make informed decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. If you're facing a financial setback, such as job loss or unexpected medical expenses, remember these strategies. First, reassess your budget. Take a close look at your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. This might mean reducing discretionary spending, such as dining out or entertainment, and focusing on essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending and prioritize essential expenses. Second, seek professional guidance. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you create a plan to manage debt and rebuild your finances. They can also assist you in setting realistic financial goals and developing a strategy to achieve them. A financial advisor can help you create a plan to manage debt and rebuild your finances. Third, stay informed. Keeping up with financial news and trends can help you make better decisions and take advantage of opportunities that may arise. There are many resources available, including online courses, seminars, and financial news websites that can help you stay informed and educated. Stay updated on financial news and resources that can provide support and guidance. Additionally, consider joining a financial support group or community. Sharing your experiences and learning from others who are facing similar challenges can provide emotional support and practical advice. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Many people face financial challenges, and there are numerous resources and support systems available to help you overcome them. Whether it's through professional advice, educational resources, or community support, you can find the help you need to get back on track. Many resources and support systems are available to help you overcome financial challenges and get back on track. By taking proactive steps and seeking the right support, you can navigate financial difficulties and emerge stronger and more resilient. Conclusion: embracing financial literacy for a brighter tomorrow. Financial literacy is not a destination, but a lifelong journey of learning, adapting, and making informed decisions about your money. By embracing financial literacy, you're investing in yourself, your family, and your future. You're taking control of your financial destiny and paving the way for a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. Start your financial literacy journey today and empower yourself to achieve your financial dreams and build a brighter future. Remember, knowledge is power, and financial literacy is the key to unlocking your financial freedom.